guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining in. So today I'm going to show you how can we achieve this look with a flawless face on an acne prone skin. So as you can see, I don't really have a lot of pimples. They've settled down now, but I do have large pores and pigmentation. So starting with, I'm going to go in with a primer. I'm using a gel based primer. Guys, remember, if you're somebody who has an oily skin or large pores or even acne, try not using any product which is oil based. Gel based or matte finish products are the best for our skin. Now we're going to start with correcting first. I'm going to be using a green corrector to cancel out any redness that I have. So if you are somebody who has bulged out pimples or acne on the face, you can go ahead and use the green corrector. Only apply it on the area where you have redness. Moving on, I'm going to take the yellow corrector to hide all the pigmentation that is there on my face. So under the eyes, around the cheeks, anywhere you feel you have dark spots or pigmentation, the yellow corrector is going to cancel that out. Now with the red corrector, I'm going to go ahead and blur out the pores. So this is actually going to help me camouflage the pores on my skin, leave me with a very smooth base once blended out nicely. While blending, make sure you do not mix the correctors together, and blending is a process which takes time, but the more you blend, the smoother the base is going to be. Now once you complete blending, let the correctors sit on your face for some time so it oxidizes, and then go in with the foundation. So here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to apply a very thin layer of the foundation. I'm not using any concealer because we have a lot of corrector already. So just a thin layer of this foundation and then blend it out all together. Honestly, the key to good makeup look is blending. For your base or for your eyes, if you learn how to blend and invest your time doing it, you can achieve a great look. Guys, for the base, I've not used any powder as yet, and you can see the base already looks so good and so flawless. Now I'm going to go in with the loose powder to stop any kind of creasing. Also, just don't forget, because we are using a lot of corrector and foundation, do apply the loose powder over the lid as well, because they tend to crease the most. Also, don't rush with the loose powder. Let a certain amount of loose powder sit on your face for some time. Let it bake on your face so the excess of oil is taken off. Now I'm going in with powder contour, nothing heavy, just a slight dimension to the face, over the cheekbone and on the jawline, as well as for the nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off the loose powder that we had rested on the face. Also, one last time, just go ahead and blend in all of the powders together. So this is the look, guys. This is the final look where the base is set properly and is ready for whatever look you'd like to create. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to go in with a shimmer base for the eyes. As we have a matte finished base, I would suggest anything on a shinier end would really complement the base. So yes, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, and then I'm using the same eyeshadow as the highlighter over the nose and on the cheeks. Just the shimmer base looked a little boring to me, so I added in a pop of color as well. And yes, this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked the video. If so, please do like, share and subscribe.